Let's start with question number 4 from exercise 4.3. In that problem, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, we have to write a linear equation for this information and thereafter to draw its graph also. So let's start with its solution. In that problem, we are given that total distance covered is x kilometer. So for the convenience, I consider two places A and B placed x kilometer apart from each other. Out of this total x kilometer, the first 1 kilometer is covered at the fare of rupees 8, and thereafter each 1 kilometer is covered at the fare of rupees 5. So this time you may observe that if this first 1 kilometer is subtracted from total x kilometer, so the remaining distance will be x minus 1 kilometer, which is going to be covered at the fare of rupees 5 per kilometer. That's why this total fare, which we are given as rupees y, this we may declare as y equal to, for first 1 kilometer rupees 8 is paid, so this is decided as 1 into 8. Similarly, the remaining x minus 1 kilometer is covered at the rate of rupees 5 per kilometer, so this is decided as x minus 1 into 5, and obviously their sum will be the total fare y. So this is y equal to 8 ones are 8 plus 5x minus 5 ones are 5, and this y equals to 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5x. That's the required linear equation for given information. Thereafter we have to draw its graph also. So in order to draw its graph, we must calculate y for different values of x, and remember that this time you may use any value of x as per your choice. So I used x minus 1, for which y becomes 3 plus 5, x is minus 1. So this is 3 plus minus minus 5 ones are 5 minus 2. So first solution of that linear equation becomes x minus 1 and y minus 2. Let's use another value of x. I used 1. So y becomes 3 plus 5 into 1. So it is 3 plus 5 ones are 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Therefore second solution is x1 y 8. Let's use third value of x. I am using minus 2. Let's check what could be y for it. So it is 3 plus 5 into x is minus 2. It becomes 3 plus minus minus 5 2s are 10. So 3 minus 10 is minus 7. That's why third solution be found as x minus 2 and y minus 7. Let's plot all these solution at some point on Cartesian plane. So first we have minus 1 comma minus 2. So it is minus 1 and minus 2. So its respective point will be lying here. This is A, point A, with coordinate minus 1 comma minus 2. Next one is 1 comma 8. So it is plus 1 and it is plus 8. So respective point will be here. That's the second point B, having coordinate as x1 and y 8. Let's plot the third solution, minus 2 comma minus 7. So it is minus 2 and minus 7. So that point would be here. This is third point C, having coordinate minus 2 comma minus 7. If we join these points, so obviously that pattern obtained will be a straight line. Okay, so this graph of linear equation in two variable be found as a straight line. That's it.